did not communicate on Solar Impulse TV, on the social networks, about our takeoff in the first 10 hours? Well, that's quite simple to explain. It was like a trauma when we had to cancel the start of André in Nagoya 5 minutes before takeoff due to a worsening of weather conditions. So this time we decided to remain very low profile, very humble, to wait as long as we can before announcing what we would do. So André started, went to the point of non-return. During that time, we had all the weather models running. We solved the different problems. We decided not to go back to Nagoya, but to go to Hawaii. And this is the moment where we went live and explained our decision and our choice. So don't worry, your connections work. It's on our end that we decided to do nothing until we were absolutely sure that we had something great to announce. And now it's the case. André is flying to Hawaii, and we'll have 5 days of very high suspense.